So it's broken. That's why they sell like this. Huh?
No,
Oh.
so a helicopter,
Oh, I like the way it opened this side. Oh, they go in this way.
the way the helicopter is that
It got
every
so
certain
light.
number of hours, there is work done to the helicopter, and then after a number of hours, like 500,000 hours,
Yeah.
then the helicopter is no longer, you can't fly it anymore.
Yeah.
So that's why they took all these pieces
Mhm.
off, because they're going to use them on another helicopter.
Yeah. I already think of a place where I could put it. If I could put it on wheel and push it around, that's even good. You know, around the property, so I could move it around.
Yeah, you could.
Yeah, like somehow like make it move. But it's pretty light, right? So
It is light.
yeah. So if you incorporate, that way I can move it around the property, take advantage of the different view.
At different times of the year. I
Yeah.
don't know exactly how heavy it is. Jeff, do you know how heavy this is? What? Do you know how heavy that is?
Yes. Wow.
Oh yeah, it's
I
not.
love it. Okay. So how does this work? It will put down deposit. Have to go and
I'd be
back.
surprised that weighs 500 or 600 pounds.
Yeah.
I just lifted the front of it.
So
So
it's perfect. I was thinking put it on wheels. I can move it around. Be perfect.
you could definitely put it on
And
ski.
then I wanted like a platform on top so my fire dancer could do fire dancing.
I think you could fire dance right there, right now.
Yeah.
Get the
Yeah.
fire dancer up there.
Yeah. 2 fire dancers. I, at the lake, these fire dancers I met are great because she's model too. So
Well, I think you should climb up and check for the fire dancer.
I know.
Just to see how it would look.
Yeah, I could have Ariel. Fire dancer on top. She's great. She kind of looked like Wonder Woman. So if you could have like a little stair for her to go on top. My God, I really want it now. A stage on top for the fire dancer, and then could you make it so that she could go inside, disappear?
Do whatever you want.
Yeah, that'd be perfect.
Now it's tight. Set him on fire.
I am down in LA right now. When we leave tomorrow.
I'd be careful. Walk on there, boys. Yes, sir.
I love it.
Oh,
Wow.
yeah, look at this.
I know, you gotta be a fire dancer up there.
Wait,
Perfect.
here?
Yeah,
Fire dancer?
yes.
Oh, okay.
She have this crown thing, so if she wave around, it's perfect. Fire dancing up there.
I gotta send this to Megan.
Yes, yeah.
Please don't.
So Megan, this is I've been meaning to ask you for her cell phone number. I think I'm missing out on a lot of entertainment value.
Oh, I guarantee you are.
Yeah, fire dancers stay up above. I know it's perfect. I have to text her. Oh, be perfect.
I guarantee you, you were missing out on
Yeah, it's perfect. Okay.
blackmail.
Yes.
Okay.
Ah. Well, I think of what I wanted. Yeah.
I could tie that on top of the Audi if you want to take it with you.
Yeah. Wow. Neat.
Yeah, my range goes up there.
So you could customize the wheel and make it like
Okay.
another layer of.
You could definitely put wheels on it so
Yeah.
that you can push it around.
Yeah, that's what I wanted, to be able to push it around, wheel, and kind of make it.
We'll put wheels on it for you.
Yeah, that'd be perfect.
And Jeff will drive it up for you.
I'll put it for you.
Yeah,
I have
perfect.
all the
That'd be
I've been
perfect.
really meaning to ask
I just had her.
get Megan's cell phone number.